everybody. Hey, welcome back to another video. It's Marybeth Angelelli. I am back with you. Hope you are doing well. We are inside of my favorite place and space, the digital growth community for the Legacy Builder interactive program at the time of this recording. The other day I did a video. We hit our major milestone of 25,000 members. Now we're 25,600 members, growing strong by leaps and bounds at an unprecedented rate every single day of the week. It's not difficult to realize exactly why that's happening because we have so much here that is helping our members to truly win and succeed with the Legacy Builder program. And I firmly believe and attest to the reasons why there's so much growth and so much success and so many wins with these 4 different Done For You digital products. It's because of this community. The support, the ongoing training, the ongoing education, mentorship, the classroom. We're all here for one common goal: to uplift, inspire, encourage, and motivate everybody to achieve their goals, turn their dreams into reality, and not only hit those goals, but exceed them. And so many people, we have so many high achievers that are truly going beyond and above what they originally set out that they wanted to achieve, and they are just absolutely killing it out there, folks. Okay, we have something that works. It's a proven process. Don't just take my word for it. I'm going to continue to share more wins with you. But last night we had our second webinar. It was jam-packed. It was maxed out again of the week. And I've already uploaded it to my YouTube channel, My Retire with Marybeth. And for quick, easy access, I'm dropping the link to the replay below in this description. Because if you have been anybody who has been looking at the Legacy Builder program from the outside, looking in, you've been sitting on the fence, you've been dragging your feet, you've been procrastinating, and you just keep wondering and pondering, is this real? Does this work? Can this work for me? Well, of course, here's what I'm going to tell you. I can't make claims, guarantees, or promises of results or income. It's just going to be depending on you and your motivation, your ability to follow simple instructions. If you're coachable, you show up every day. You do what it takes to make it work, folks. If you're working this, if you're following our training, if you're following the proven step-by-step process, yes, it can absolutely work for you too. There is no reason why it can't and won't, because we have people from all around the world, all backgrounds. We have total newbies, complete beginners, okay? We have intermediate marketers, and we have seasoned advanced marketers. So we have people at all levels, all ranks, from all walks of life, all backgrounds, and all around the globe. And folks, we have so many beginners, so many newbies, because they are motivated, okay? They are coming here because they want to change their life, and they're doing whatever it takes to make that happen. They're plugging into the training inside of our 4 different Done For You products, and they're plugging into the training, the live interactive training that we have throughout the entire week. They're plugging into the replays in this community, and they're becoming students, and they're plugging into the replays within the classroom, okay? So they are adapting themselves into the perfect learn while you earn environment, folks, okay? And they're truly winning. And I'm going to continue to share more results with you because I want to inspire you. I wanted to show you that this is real and this can absolutely positively work for you too, okay? So the replay, you'll find it on my channel, and I'm also dropping the link below. It was absolutely amazing. What we did is last night we focused on the 5-step blueprint to online success. And when you catch the replay, everything's going to be broken down step by step. You'll be able to understand and see the big picture. But I'm just going to do a real quick recap here in today's video. So step 1, folks, is the first step to having online success. Positioning yourself for the best results to ensure that you have online success. You need to be promoting a product, a service, or a program in high demand. It just so happens that what is trending right now, what is popular, our world is going digital, whether you realize it or not. Digital products. These are 4 different high demand digital products for you, okay? You're going to be able to resell these, okay, for 100% profit. So digital products Digital marketing is where it's at right now, okay? Everything is going digital, and digital enables us to expand our horizons and go above and beyond the reach of the USA, the United States, and go international. We have so many international people who are joining us every single day of the week. So we can take this out to all places, all countries, folks, okay? Through harnessing the power and potential of social media marketing, which is absolutely huge, folks. And people appreciate what we have because we are changing lives for so many people. And we can help you and we can change your life, folks, if you take the initiative, take action, and get started, okay? As a matter of fact, last year alone, digital products, just to let you know real quick, did $1 billion a day in volume. 2024 digital products have increased to 1.2 billion a day in revenues, okay? Forbes magazine has already predicted by 2027, digital marketing in the e-learning space, e-learning industry, that's what we specialize in here with the Legacy Builder program, is projected to do $3 billion a day, okay? And we get to keep 100% of the profit. That's the beauty of this opportunity. People love it, okay? Because we are helping so many people to break free, okay? To enjoy time freedom, location freedom, and financial freedom with the Legacy Builder program. Number 2 is you want to have an automated business. You want to know how to automate your business, and we show you how to be set up. We give you an automated business for free. Okay. Once you invest and purchase one of the 4 different done for you digital products, you're going to get a free automated system, and it's going to be out there working for you around the clock, 24/7, 365, doing your telling, your selling, your explaining for you, and all of your follow-up. And that's exactly what you want, folks. Okay. Because we're going to show you how to find your perfect customer and create content that is relatable with your perfect customer. They're going to be able to resonate with it. And within that content, you're going to be able to drop a CTA, call to action, at the close of your content. And you're basically driving people back to your capture page, to your automated system. And then you're taking them on the journey of know, like, and trust through your follow-up email automations. So you're going to have a presentation, a video that's going to do your telling and selling and explaining for you. That automates it. Okay. And then above and beyond that is your follow-up email automations to pretty much seal the deal. When your perfect customers are ready, when a percentage of them are ready, they'll be able to purchase from you by getting your follow-up emails. Okay. And then number 3 is get your business discovered. That's exactly what we teach and train on. Okay. That's basically your marketing. So you don't have to stress. You don't have to go out there and find customers. We show you how to do this through attraction marketing, through social media marketing. You're going to learn how to harness the power and potential of social media and pick and select the platform or platforms that best fit you and your personality. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. You can select from those 5, okay? They all work, folks. They all work. For me, I love and I focus on YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook, okay? So we teach you through a 2-prong approach. Simple, easy, free methods. 2-prong approach. First approach is copy, paste, post ads for profit. And then the second is social media, okay? How to find your perfect customer, how to create content around your perfect customer, and how to do that CTA, the call to action, to send them back to your automations. It's a simple, simple process, okay? It's called the discovery process. Essentially it's your marketing. We use all free methods, no paid, so you don't need an advertising budget. And we show you how to find your perfect customers. That becomes the game changer. And then step number 4 is how to stand out by relating with your content, which again sends people back to your automations, like I just said, folks. Okay, so there's going to be that CTA. We're going to teach you how to create that. It's very, very simple. We're going to go back to your automations. So when somebody comments and wants more information from your content, whether it's a post, whether it's a picture, whether it's an image, whether it's a video, short form, long form, whatever it might be, all you simply do is just respond back with the link to your website. It's really super simple. All you have to do is say, please visit my website, okay, or go to the link in my bio. So it's really a simple process. And then last but not least, getting new signups, getting customers. Okay, that's the 5-step process to having success online, and we break all that down inside of the training, inside of our live interactive trainings throughout the week, and people are loving it. They're being able to relate with it, and they are taking action, and they are winning. So before I close out, folks, I just want to continue to inspire you with more wins for the day. Okay, so check this all out. Look at this, folks. First sale. Just did a live on Facebook, and an hour afterwards, we got our first sale. Joined on Sunday, made $900 by Thursday. If we can do it, you can do it. Woohoo. Okay, so check that out, what Kevin's reporting. Okay, look at this, $100 while recovering in bed. Okay, look at this. $900 ding, got my first $900 ding, and I am so excited. I'm still training the algorithm and improving my content on TikTok. I decided to take it now to Facebook. Wow. So folks, you know, we show you how to have success on all platforms, and they all work. Whether you decide to start off with Instagram or Facebook or TikTok or YouTube or Pinterest. If you're new, though, if you are a newbie, I would just say focus on one, okay? Don't go on information overload. Don't become stressed out. Don't become overwhelmed. Master one of these platforms, and then you can expand your horizons, spread your wings, and fly to another platform, okay? They all work, folks. There's no doubt about it. They all work. Look at this. Amazing Freedom Machine is working amazingly. That's our funnel, folks, our automated system. We call it our Freedom Machine. It brought another new customer, $600 ding from a TikTok live stream. Okay, look at this. First sale. I made my first sale today on the Passive Daily Pay Blueprint. Purchased this program 2 weeks ago. I am super excited for what is coming. Okay, look at this, folks. My very first $900 ding 3 weeks in. I am crazy. I'm a crazy Mexican-American woman fighting for her family's freedom and time. See, folks? Time freedom, financial freedom. I've struggled with anxiety, my entire life, and there were moments that, I don't know. So this particular person is being able to change their future, okay? They're getting themselves out of the struggle, and they are getting into the freedom lifestyle, folks, and you can have all of that too, okay? Ding, ding, $600 day. Look at this, OMG. Look at this. I made $2,100 today. I didn't even make this in a month at my old 8 to 5. So this person was able to replace their job, and in one single day, they generated $2,100. Look, a $900 morning. Look at this. Look at this, dings. This is what people are accomplishing in record time, folks. So it is very possible, folks, for you to come in and truly just follow the system and expect nothing but great things to follow. You have to be positive, folks, but we are here to give you that positive reinforcement, that positive encouragement, and we're here to uplift, inspire, motivate, and support you every step of the way. Once you come into this amazing community, you'll be able to invite your email leads, your prospects, your list to our webinars that we host throughout the week. And many members get signups after these webinars, because what we do is we give you the email swipes, we show you the simple free marketing strategy, how to invite your leads to the webinars, and then I encourage everybody to get a YouTube channel, download the replays to your YouTube channel, upload them, and then send an email follow-up and include that link to the webinar replay for anybody who wasn't able to attend live, and that should produce some amazing results as well, okay? It all works, folks. We have the step-by-step process. We have the proven marketing, and we give you everything that you need to be able to have success with us too. Okay, can't make this up, folks. Real people, real results from a real system with real value. Okay, high demand digital products, 4 of them. Okay. Our most popular, though, by far is the 900 Legacy Builder, because it's going to give you the 3 remaining products that you're able to earn while you're learning, keeping 100% of the profits. So there's a total of $1,900 in products that you're going to be able to have access to. So you take the 900 plus your 600 plus your 300 plus your 100. That is $1,900 in profits. Once you reach the point where you are reselling one of these a day, that would be this potential here, okay? Can't make claims, guarantees, or promises of income, but this is the potential that you could potentially have. $1,900, okay, by just one sale per day of each of the products if you own all 4 of the products. So I just wanted to leave you with that. And this is our amazing calendar, folks. We are ending June with a bang. This past week, it was absolutely jam-packed. I mean, we have Tech Zooms, we have our Legacy Builder Interactive training, we had a Facebook training yesterday that was absolutely amazing. Every Monday we have mentoring for paid members. So we teach and train live. It's interactive. It's unique. People are loving it. People are winning. And we give you everything you need, folks, okay? Not only do we have the live trainings throughout the week, but we have the classroom with all of our replays. Right here, folks, everything from content training to social media training. And we are getting ready to start a brand new legacy run on the beginning of July next week, folks. So anybody getting in between now and Monday, folks, you are absolutely in the right place at the right time, because we're going to teach you and train you on how to achieve another 30K in the next 90 days. So you definitely want to be on board with us. You want to be taking action, folks, and you want to be changing your life. And you can absolutely accomplish that and so much more here with the Legacy Builder program and the extension, which is our digital growth community. It is an extension of the product because we're giving you more value, we're giving you more training, we're giving you more content. We have a classroom contained within, and there's everything here for you that you need to become our next success story and win with us. So with that being said, folks, I would love nothing more than for you to go below, go to my website, click on the link. If it's not clickable, you may need to type it into your browser. Check out the replay. I know you're going to get excited, and I would love nothing more than to welcome you to the Legacy Builder program, the digital growth community in advance. Any questions, text or call me. I always provide my cell details below in all of my videos, folks. I believe in transparency, and I welcome all serious inquiries. This is the best way to reach me. Should you need to reach me, text me or call me, and I'm here to help you to get set up, to get going today. Let's get you moving. Let's get you grooving. Let's get you changing your life too. You're in the right place at the right time. If you want time freedom, location freedom, and financial freedom, folks, your search is over, and today can be the very first day of your brand new freedom life. Okay? Thank you so much. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.